Nestled amidst the dense foliage of the Paulista rainforest, on the shores of Brazil, sits the Jumble House, a marvel of modern architecture that seamlessly blends with its wild surroundings. The brainchild of Studio 27 Malawian Quaches, this three-story residence isn't just a house, it's a symphony of nature and man-made creation. The story of the Jumble House begins with respect for the land. The architects strategically placed the house in a pre-existing clearing, minimizing disruption to the lush vegetation. The house itself appears to rise organically from the mountainous topography, with the main volume elevated on just two pillars. This clever design not only preserves the existing landscape but also grants breathtaking views of the ocean. As you approach the house, a sense of anticipation builds. The ground floor unfolds beneath the house's extended form, creating a vast, shaded wooden deck. This becomes a haven for children's laughter and playful exploration, offering a cool refuge from the tropical sun. Tucked away on this floor is also a small room for the kids, a cozy nook nestled amidst the towering trees. Taking the stairs, you enter an intermediate space, a luminous concrete passageway adorned with an artwork by Olafur Eliasson. It's a transitional moment, a bridge between the vibrant world outside and the modern haven within. The interior design is an exercise in understated elegance. Wood and exposed concrete reign supreme, creating a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere perfectly suited to the tropical climate. The programmatic layout of the Jumble House is a delightful subversion of the norm. Unlike traditional single-family homes, the social areas, the living room, kitchen, and the piece de resistance, the infinity pool, occupy the top floor. This ingenious design decision allows for complete immersion in the breathtaking panorama. Imagine swimming in the pool, the crystal-clear water seemingly merging with the endless blue horizon. It's a scene straight out of a postcard, but one you get to experience every day. The bedrooms, on the other hand, reside on the first floor. Each room boasts a private veranda complete with a hammock, an idyllic spot to sway gently and listen to the whispers of the rainforest. These personal sanctuaries are further enhanced by wooden sunscreens that double as functional brise-soleil. These ingenious louvers can be adjusted by the residents, allowing them to control the amount of sunlight and privacy desired. The connection with nature isn't merely visual in the Jumble House. It's a multi-sensory experience. The native flora meticulously replanted around the house creates a sense of being enveloped by the rainforest. As you move through the different levels, the relationship with the surrounding vegetation keeps evolving. On the ground floor, you walk amidst the trees. On the first floor, dappled sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a playful dance of shadows on the walls. And finally, on the rooftop, the infinity pool reflects the vibrant tapestry of the rainforest, culminating in the grand finale, the endless expanse of the ocean. The architects haven't forgotten the importance of relaxation and rejuvenation in this tropical paradise. The top floor boasts a deck with a hot tub and sauna, offering an intimate space to unwind while being enveloped by the rainforest's sights and sounds. On the opposite end lies a sunken fireplace, perfect for cozy evenings spent gazing at the star-studded sky. These contrasting experiences, the invigorating coolness of the pool and the comforting warmth of the fireplace, epitomize the perfect balance achieved in the jungle house. The social area, the heart of the house, truly embodies the essence of the jungle house concept. This open-plan living room offers unobstructed views of both the ocean and the rainforest. With ample cross-ventilation, the space seamlessly integrates the indoors and outdoors, blurring the lines between nature's embrace and the comfort of a modern home. Here, you can gather with loved ones, sharing stories and laughter while being mesmerized by the ever-changing spectacle of the natural world. The jungle house isn't just a residence, it's a celebration of life, a testament to the harmonious coexistence of human ingenuity and the untamed beauty of nature. Wow, the jungle house is truly a masterpiece of design. It reminds us that living in harmony with nature is not just possible, it's breathtaking. If you're looking for inspiration for your own dream home, or simply want to escape into a world of tranquility, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more architectural adventures.